Hi friends, this is Devansh, and in this video I am going to tell you how we can fix the issue related to the Wi-Fi. If you are getting issue like your Wi-Fi is not getting connected or you're getting a limited connection, then this video might be helpful for you. I am going to tell you 3 methods which can be helpful to fix the issue. So let's begin, and please watch this video completely. If you find this useful, please like. First method to fix this issue is troubleshoot the network adapter, Wi-Fi network adapter. So click on the network adapter and click on troubleshoot problems. So this will start detecting the problem related to the network adapter. Wait here till it provide you the list of the devices which can be diagnosed with this troubleshooting option. So here are the list. You will find multiple options here like Wi-Fi, Ethernet 2, 3 and 4, and also all network adapter. We are troubleshooting specifically Wi-Fi, so we will click on Wi-Fi here and click on next. It will detect the problem related to the Wi-Fi here. Wait for a while. Now it's suggesting a issue fix. Just click on apply this fix. For you it might be different. Just click on apply this fix to move ahead, and it will start fixing that problem and start doing the changes related to that fix. So at last you will find these steps which you need to follow to fix the issue. It might be different for you. Just do those steps and it will be fixed. So this is the first method to fix this issue. Now the second method to fix this issue is reset the TCP IP connection. For that you have to go to the command prompt and then run it as administrator. Once you come to this screen, here you have to copy this command. I will put this into description. You can directly copy it from there, and then you have to copy and paste it into your command prompt. Once you paste it into the command prompt and click on enter, it will execute these many of commands. After that you have to just restart your computer to complete this action. So just exit from here, go to the Windows option and click on restart to restart the system again, and then check the issue is resolved. Now the third method to fix this issue is wake up the Wi-Fi adapter. For that you have to go to the Wi-Fi icon and then click on open network setting. Here you have to go to the change adapter option, click on that, and here you can see all the adapters. Click on Wi-Fi. Now click on properties. Now here you have to click on configure. Once you come to this screen, go to power management tab and untick this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now click on OK. After that you have to just go to the restart option and restart the system again. Once you get restarted, check that issue is fixed or not. So this is the third option. Now the last option to fix this problem is use the Google DNS. For that you have to go to the open network and internet setting again. Here you have to go to the change adapter option, click on that. Now go to Wi-Fi and then again go to properties. Here click on the internet protocol version 4 and click on OK then. Now here you can see I am using the following DNS server address. I have to change it to 8.8.8.8, and downside as alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and restart your system again. Once you click on OK and restart the system, check the issue is resolved or not. So these are the methods which can help you to fix the issue. If any of this method help you, please like this video and let me know in the comment. Thank you.